Airtel 4G Free Internet Trick 2019. Opera Mini Handler for Airtel. I'll share all the procedure about how to access free internet by Opera Mini Handler in Airtel 4G. Free high-speed internet without paying single of money. Access AMP, downloading unlimited through Airtel Internet. 1. Android phone. 2. Opera Mini Handler. 3. Airtel 3G/4G SIM card. 4. With zero balance. 1. Airtel Free Internet Trick. 1. First of all, download the Opera Mini Handler. 2. After successfully downloaded, just install it in your smartphone. 3. Now go to your mobile internet settings. 4. Go to Access Points option app, create a new access point. 5. Fill this below settings on new access point. Name, Airtel Internet. App, airtelpros.com. Proxy, 114.000.011.253. Port, 80. 6. Click on Save option from top right corner. 7. Now turn on your Internet app, open your Opera Mini Handler app from homepage. 8. It can take some times and first time only. 9. After loading complete, click on Accept button app, now it will be ready to use. 10. Enjoy. 2. Airtel Free Internet Trick. Are you our user? Airtel Free Internet Trick 2019 by Handle UC Browser. Unlimited Internet Trick for Airtel users, fast AMP, free. Requirements: Android phone, Opera Mini Handler, Airtel 3G/4G SIM card, with zero balance, free internet process. 1. First of all, download UC Browser Handle. 2. After successfully downloaded, just install it in your smartphone. 3. Turn on your mobile data. 4. Open the UC Browser Handler, scroll down app, click on Remove Port. 5. Now choose Real Host on Proxy Server. 6. Fill any one proxy server from them. 1.airtel.in, 203.115.112.5, 203.115.112.27, 1234.airtel.in, 192.185.112.5, 192.185.114.100, m.airtellive.com. 7. Click on OK button app, now you will be able to use this UC browser without internet. 8. Enjoy free internet. I hope you like the Airtel free internet. Don't forget to share with your friends. Let them also enjoy free internet trick 2019.